Hello everybody. Today at Foamworks we're going to show you how to cut bands for the exterior Eifs insulation system. And basically we're going to take a 1 inch by 2 foot by 4 foot sheet of styrofoam, and I pre-measured the distance of my saw to just under 6 inches. And we used a 2x4 instead of the straight edge that comes with your table saw because this has a bigger, flatter surface and it works a little better for using foam. So we pre-measured those. Now I'm just going to run these sheets through the saw. Now we have several sheets of 6-inch bands that are cut pretty straight, and we can glue those directly to all the specified areas where we're going to be putting bands around the windows, doorways, corners, whatnot. And we'll show you how we apply those here when we get to the job site. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.